Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Wilonda. I'm gonna go ahead and do an updated brown skin girl makeup routine. And yeah, so if you are interested, then go ahead and stay tuned. So I already went ahead and prepped my skin. So I'm just gonna go ahead and prime it now. I've been and continue. This needs to be shucking more. I have been, still am, and continuously is using Milk of Magnesia to prime my skin. So while that dried for brows, I have honestly been very light-handed with my brows as of late. I am so over it, and you guys know I've been over that fade for a minute now, but I am so over the overdrawn, under concealed, like overdone brows. So I've literally been just using my Benefit Precisely my brow pencil in the color number 5. Honestly, like, it creates really fine lines, really thin like hairs, and I really love it. And the way I fill it in, I literally barely fill it in. I don't go in and just like color every ounce of skin on my brow or space. I honestly just fill in very sparsely, because if I overfill or I sit there and really color it in, then I realize at the end my eyebrows don't look natural at all. Concealer underneath my eyes. I have been using my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in the number NW50. I really love how this concealer is not too bright on my skin. It's literally the perfect highlight color, and it doesn't give me that casty under eye brow bone that is like super white and just fluorescent. I really dislike those looks. So I've been sticking to this one for a minute now. So I'll come back to fix my eyebrows. I just wanted to shape it out for right now so I could have an outline of how the rest of my face is going to play out. So now I'm going to go in with my foundation, and you guys know as of late I've been using the Born This Way foundation in the color Sable, and this is the dewy one. There are times that I apply the dewy one and the matte one, but I'm not doing that today. So for concealer, I have a couple concealers that I've been going back and forth on, and I've derived from this specific one for a minute, only not for a specific reason. I was just trying out different other concealers, so now I'm back to using this one for now, just to use up the bottles, because I have 2 of them. So I'm going to be using the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in the color NW45. And another thing that I came back to, which I stopped using for a minute, is beauty blenders. I don't know why I stopped using them, but I did. I think I just wasn't feeling it, honestly. And I found another brush that I was using on a regular for my concealer, and it's the ES13 from Juno & Co. So I have like 4 of those brushes that I use on rotate when I'm doing my concealers, when I'm doing my highlighting. For my setting powder, I am using my Sacha Cosmetics setting powder, and I'm using this on a dry brush. Ooh, I can't see. Now it's time to warm the face back up. So I used to use cream concealer, but then I'm just going back to my basics. That's what I realized. I'm really loving just the effortless look of makeup and not the dramatic look. So I'm just gonna go in with my concealer, I'm going in with my powder contour, and it's just this eyeshadow that I've been using for years, and it's from Coastal Scents. I get a whole bunch at a time when I make an order on Coastal Scents, and it's called Chocolatier, and it is that perfect like reddish undertone that doesn't look taupey at all, and it gives me the right amount of definition on my face, and I just absolutely love it. So I just use my elf complexion brush that I've been using for years as well. Like a lot of my brushes are not new, only that Juno one that I just used to put my powder on, my setting powder. Okay, so after I done chisel my face up, I go in with my Full Spectrum by CoverGirl, and it's in the color Deep Cool 4, and this I use as like a mixing powder. So a powder that I use to just blend, or blending powder, not mixing, a powder that I use to just blend everything together. So this, I don't know, I love this little powder right here. It's a powder foundation, but like it just blends everything together, and in my pictures when my makeup looks so blended and just there's no demarcation, it's because of this powder right here. So I just go in and lightly blend all the harsh marks, which is from my concealer, from my contouring. Earlier, everything was very harsh and just structured, and after I done blended everything with this powder, it literally just, it looks like my face again. Now that's done, I'm going to put my blush on, and I've been using this blush, and I actually hit pan on this blush, so I am in the process of ordering another set. So this is my orange blush from La Femme, and I've had this for years, and I'm just not hitting pan on it. I think because I had something else that I was using. No, I bought two orange, so this is the second one, and this is the only blush color as of like the past, I want to say 3 years, that I've been using. I love orange on dark skin. It just makes everything look so natural and put everything together and just warm. I just love it. This is literally the only color blush that I use. The last step for my face is my highlighter, and I've been using the MAC Oh Darling Extra Dimension Skin Finish, and I really love this. I love it, love it, love it, love it. Ever since I received it in a PR box, I've been using it. So natural. Bring it up. Bring a little to the brow bone. Look at that. Compared to this. Love it. All right, so we're gonna go back to my eyebrows just to make sure that is completely done before I forget about it. So for my brows, I love the feathered look. Sometimes I gel them, sometimes I don't. But most importantly, right here, I don't leave any demarcation of any concealer. So I make sure I go in and I really, really buff that out. I don't mind this being more structured because it's that brow bone, but in the front right here, no. In person, it looks like I have a whole bunch of hair hair strands on my eyebrows, and I don't. So that's what I had to go back into. For my eyeshadow, I wear eyeshadow, but the eyeshadow I wear, it looks like my skin, so I just go with the Oktoberfest from Coastal Scents. Been using this for years. I actually have two in this palette right now. One hit pan, so I got the new one right here. But I just use this just so my foundation don't crease on my eyes, on my eyelids. So I just go in with that just to set it even more, because I tend to realize as soon as I don't apply eyeshadow and I'm just using the setting powder to set on my eyelids, it doesn't do it any justice. It still creases. Okay, so that's for my face. I'm going to go ahead and put on my lashes and I come back. Alright guys, so this is my complete look. So for my lashes, I use Kiss Lashes in Page Boy. And for my mascara, I use two different mascaras. For the bottom, I use the Too Faced Better Than Sex. And then for the top, I use this new one that I've been really loving, which is the Bad Gal Bang from Benefits. So that is all that I have for this video. If you guys love this video or have any other questions on the products that I use, or I don't know what other questions y'all gonna have, but oh, for lip gloss, I just use my Fenty lip gloss and I combine it with this Patches Star lip gloss. He had a collaboration with MAC for the holidays a couple Christmas back. I had that in my stash for a while and I just picked it back up. So I really love that gloss. If I can find the name of it, because it's in my purse right now and I don't feel like getting up and go get it, but if I can find the name of that gloss, then I will leave it down below or on the screen somewhere. But that is what I use in combination, and I literally use those two lip glosses all the time now. Anyways, that is all that I have for this video. Please be sure to thumbs up if you like content like this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to share this video. Don't forget, I still have the imported chocolate merch available. If you guys want a sweatshirt, I got two different types of sweatshirts. And I am going to be dropping another kind of sweatshirt out. And I have the tops, crop tops, the leggings. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at imported_chocolate. And with that being said, I thank you guys so much for continuously supporting this channel, supporting me on Instagram, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.